Good morning, good morning. So firstly, let's do a muscle check. Okay, my biceps, we need work. Tricep, y'all see that? Okay, triceps, abs, are we abbing? Something like that. Anyway, so today I wanted you guys to spend the day with me. I've got a few things I want to try out for today. There are these puff pastry things that I want to try, where you put like fruit and then you bake them. I've never made puff pastry from scratch before, so that's the experiment I'm gonna go on right now for breakfast. I come from a fast, so my metabolism is okay in terms of taking a long period of time before I start eating. It's FYI, y'all, I've still been job hunting and one company came back, but the issue is I don't know why I applied for a job in MP. So anyway, so this job is like far, and I just signed a new lease contract. It does not make sense for me to up and go because of where will those funds come from. So anyway, if you guys know somebody who wants to be a marketing coordinator who lives in Nelspruit, Malanga, please let me know. You can comment down below, and the company's offering 20k a month. So let me know, because I had promised the recruiter that I will reach out to my network. You guys are my network. Okay, let's get this puff pastry situation going so that I can have breakfast. But
I am not entirely too sure what's the best way to approach this task, but I have a cooking book and I'm going to try my hardest to follow this recipe, even though I know very well that I don't like making pies, because I think the ingredients have to be so specific, and if you get something wrong, then it's going to mess up the texture or whatever. But I'm deliberately putting myself in this position so that I can learn how to show myself grace and compassion and see how the voice in my head speaks to me when I fail and it doesn't turn out like how I imagined. Since I've been reading and I've been on this deliberate journey of trying to heal my mother wound, I came across a term called reparenting, and I am not bothered to research it. It could quite be self-explanatory, I don't know, but I have been doing that since February started, and how I prepare food for myself now is with so much love. I'm even shocking myself. But I have been trying to reparent myself and learn how to be mindful with myself. I have taken an interest in myself and discovering what it is that I like and what I don't like, what I'm good at, what I'm bad at, why I don't like certain things, why I like certain things. I have been in this deep, intense self-introspection for the last 3 weeks. I've been reading, I've been researching, I have been sitting with difficult emotions that are hard to process. I have been learning how to communicate, and I have to say I'm quite impressed with myself. And right now, I don't necessarily know where I'm going with this channel, but what I know is I have to create, because I once read that if you create with your hands, whether it is picking up a hobby, planting, or I don't know, making a paper mache, I don't know, something interesting that's new, it somehow heals you in an interesting way. You know, like how exercise is good for you and it heals you, it's kind of like that as well. So getting dirty and doing stuff with your hands is actually good for you. So that's what I've been doing, but I've also been tying other exercises to it. Positive self-talk is the one thing that I've been doing, and I've been thoroughly enjoying this journey. So for me, I think I like doing what I'm doing, even though right now it does not make sense to me posting these random videos, but I kind of like it. You know what I'm saying?
Guys, I burnt my food. I don't know, I literally forgot about them. but it's okay, it's okay. I'll just have like oats or something. But this is the results. I have burnt my food. I don't even know. That's the honey. Anyway, okay, let me either second attempt this or just give up. But I'm over it. It's like 10 o'clock right now. I'm over it. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Ah! Look, you guys. Okay. Yay. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut and then put some, I'm gonna cut it and then put the peaches inside. Yes, I didn't give up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look, you guys, it's like so pretty. So now I'm gonna stuff the peaches in here. Okay, I'm happy. Oh, just like so. Yes. You guys don't understand. I almost gave up on this. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, cool. Let us. I feel like I should put it in the air fryer just so I can get like the best out of it, but and the puff pastry actually tastes good. And the honey just does something to it. Okay, so I just finished breakfast and I need to work on a few things. So I'm trying to go back into being flexible. Firstly, just doing normal splits. I'm not that far off with my splits, a bridge, and then a handstand. So I've never been, as a kid I was always able to hold a handstand, but as a grown-up adult I have not been able to. So right now I'm just going to be doing some stretching, and then I'm going to do, not stretching, I'm going to do a yoga class for 20 minutes, and then I'm going to do my drills, and then also practice my handstand drills, because those are the ones that are quite intimidating. So for now I'm going to get into stretching.
For those of us who are perfectionists, I challenge you to deliberately fail at something that you want to achieve. I read somewhere that it helps when you do things with your hands. So maybe take up a new hobby. If you're somebody who doesn't like plants, buy yourself a plant. Fuck up, kill it, you know. But get yourself in the habit of messing up and see how you talk to yourself, because I think it's a great exercise for you to do. Some people paint. Pick up something like dough was easy for me. It's just flour and salt. You can do a lot of things with that and experiment, and it's not too costly. I think a lot of people have flour right now that they don't know what to do with it. Do a paper mache, do something, and get yourself into the habit of failing small, and then learn how to show yourself compassion in those small moments, and you will see that when the big moments come, you will still be able to show yourself compassion. It's a matter of putting the habit in place, and yeah, and growth is not linear, you know. But I think it's important that we learn how to show ourselves grace.
I'm sweating. I feel like this turned into an unexpected Pilates class. What the heck is this? I am like halfway there. I'm gonna switch on the fan, and then